Mum?
Oh, hey, Imogen. How you going?
I'm good. What are you doing?
I've got news that Tim Tom sent the AnnePan today. I'm waiting for the delivery.
You do realise that you will have to go inside at some point. You can't just sit out here until it comes.
No, I don't have to go inside. I just want to stay here in case I miss it. Don't want to miss it.
Okay, well, let us know if you need anything.
Sure. I will. Thanks, doll. Love you. Bye.
Bye. Good morning, Mum.
Oh, hey. Morning. Thank you. Oh. Imogen.
Yeah?
Quick, the parcel's arrived. Can you come and help me?
What's around?
The parcel from Celestial Sounds from Tim.
Are you going to open it?
Yeah, you're going to come and help me. Because there wasn't a few. Let me get some scissors. Look at this. Oh, even the box is nice. I'm shaking. I am. I'm shaking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you open one side.
Okay.
Ready? Do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh. Packing. That is so serious. What do I do? Oh, it's like a table. It's like a little table, isn't it?
It is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come here, baby. Can we move the box,
Yeah.
please? It's a really cool cover, eh?
Yeah.
Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, look at the, oh my gosh, look at the flowers. Look at the flower. They're beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, look, and even the cloth. Just haven't. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at it. Oh,
Are you going to give it a little play?
I can't play very well, but anyway, I can't play very well, but gosh, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm gonna try though. Okay.
How are you feeling?
Overwhelmed. It's just beautiful. Thank you, Tim. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tim.